in today's video, we're going to look on how to do distant time graphs. So let's get started. So on my right here, you can see we have a distant time graph. I'm going to label this point A, this point B, this point C, and this point D. It's basically these points. There will come in some significance in later in this video. So stick around till then. So we need to find the distance, the time, and the speed of this car that's been travelling for somehow 18 hours. So from A to B, how far has the car travelled? So if we look at this graph, we can see this point that is here, and if we just do a straight line, we can see that the total is 8. So we can write here A to B equals 8 kilometers, as we're dealing in kilometers. And now we can do B to C. So B to C, we start on 8 and we do not move anywhere. So in our thing, we do B to C equals 0 kilometers because we have, it's a straight line, static, and yeah, basically. And from here, C to D, we'll have, you look like it's going down. They'll say, why is it going down? This is basically because we're still going 8 kilometers, but just the opposite direction. So this means in our statistics, we put C to D equals 8 kilometers. And we'll do the same thing for time. So, different colour here. So, from A to B, we'll draw point B down. So from A to B, it's taken 4 hours. So, in our time, we can do A to B equals 4 hours. If you see how I got it there, that if you're going from B, you can see that if you go straight down, it says 4 hours. So going all the way across, it's 4 hours taking, and it's the same point on the 8 hours. And now we'll do B to C. We have no movement, but we're on 10 hours, and we started on 4 hours. So we do 10 minus 4, which is 6. So we put B to C equals 6 hours. And finally, we do C to D. We start on 10, end up on 18. So 18 minus 10, again, is 8 hours. So put C to D equal 8 hours. Okay. So this is basically where the maths comes in. I'm going to make a new, we will refer back to that, but I just want to make a quick comment. So speed, the thing we want to calculate in this video, equals, this is the formula we want to do today, distance over time. This could make, we could replace it for time equals distance over speed, or etc. Yeah, etc. And the average, so that's the speed, and the average So the average speed actually equals the total distance travelled divided by the total amount of time. So that's why the average speed. So let's refer back to our thing here. So we need to find this. So from A to B, if speed equals distance over time, our equation here for A to B will have to equal, so the distance is 8 and the time is 4. So 8 over 4 equals 2. So then this equals 2 kilometers an hour. So right there, A to B equals 2 km an hour. And B to C, 0 divided by 6. This is because 0 is the distance and 6 is the amount of hours. So 0 divided by 6 is 0. So this means B to C is going 0 kilometers an hour. This kind of makes sense because we're not actually traveling. From B to C, it's just a straight line. And now we have, again, in my video from yesterday, we have direct proportion. So 8 divided by 8 is 1. Because this means we're going, so C to D equals 1 kilometer an hour. Because we're going, if we're increasing the kilometers, we're increasing the hours. Direct proportion, just like last video. So I hope you enjoyed that video on distant time graphs. I hope I really explained that well and got in your brain for some revision. Please like and subscribe, share, turn on the notification bell, share with maths teachers, and thank you for watching. And also comment on new video ideas and things that you're struggling with. So thank you for watching, and see you in the next one.